What is up everyone, it's J-Rob here from Jet Gaming, and today I'm bringing you a tutorial on how to make a Minecraft server, a Bukket server, on 1.7.10 and 1.7.9. So the first thing you want to do is make a Minecraft server, a Minecraft folder, just a new one on a desktop or wherever you want to save it. And then you want to go to a website called and type in craftbukkit and click the first link. Now, as you may see three of these, and you may be saying, oh, that's 1.6.4, that's not 1.7.10. As of now, there is no 1.7.10 recommended build, which means it's not very safe, so you can use the development build, but it won't actually, there's no guarantee of it actually working, because it's still in development. But you always download the recommended build. It's still 1.7.10, so you don't have to worry about that. So just click this big green box and just go run. Now it's only 14 megabytes, so you don't have to worry about being too big. It should be pretty quick. My internet is very slow, so it does take a while. So I'll just leave it to you and wait till it finishes. Okay, now it's done. You just want to save this to your file that you've just created, your folder that you've just created, and put it in there. Now you want to rename it to craftbukkit, and delete all the numbers. I'll explain why this is later. The next thing you want to do is you want to open up this code and go into your new server folder, go new, text document, just name it as start. Now you want to copy this code in, and this is basically just the run.bat file, which is the actual command center for the server. So it's the control panel that you will use to do all your commands like op and give created and stuff like that. So this is very important, and it also makes sure it installs all your files for your server, so you have to get this right. And this may be different, that's why you need to make it the exact same as the one in the folder, as you can see here, because otherwise it won't work. Then you just want to save it, save as I meant, and save it as all files. You save it as start.bat. Now this is just a runnable file that will, like I said, make your server files. So you can just delete this start text and run this. Now as you can see, it's loading up all this code, and you may be like, oh my god, I can't see what's going on. But this is just basically creating the spawn, creating all the files for your new Minecraft server. So it won't take too long. I'll just leave you with it again. As you can see, it's done. That didn't take too long. And now you just want to type stop. Typing stop saves everything, but if you close it, it does save, but it does have the chance of the file getting corrupt and not working. So that's just the safer way. It does take a bit longer, but it's okay. Now as you can see, you've got all these files here, and you're wondering what they are. Well, I'll explain. So the plugin folder is just where you install your plugins. You don't have to worry about that just yet. The 3 world folder, so your nether, the end, and your spawn world. Now you've got banned IPs. Now if someone's annoying you or not following the rules of your server, you can ban the IP by following this format. And this will basically, banning the IP means they won't be able to join on any other accounts. So like if you go to this ban players, you can ban the player, but it won't actually ban the IP. So if they do have another account, they can log on and start messing up your server again. So just keep that in mind if someone is annoying you. You got these three you don't have to worry about, and ops is a big one. So obviously an op is pretty much the owner of the server. So if you want to be op and be able to control everything from game, just write your username in here or any of your friends' usernames that you want, and then just save that. The next thing you want to do is you want to go to this file here. Now see there's 2 servers, you want to go to the properties file. Now if it's not in the notepad format, you can just right click it and open with notepad, but for this purpose I'm going to use notepad++, so it's easy to see. And as you can see, you got all these settings. These are the Minecraft server settings. So generator settings, you can choose which map you want to generate. Allow nether true, level name, you can change that if you want. Enable query, you can leave that. Flight, false. Server port 25565. You skip all these. Level seed, you can have a custom level seed if you want, that's up to you. Server IP, this is a big one. What you want to do for this is you want to go to CMD on your computer and type in IP config, that's IPCONFIG, and you get all this code. Now you just want to go up to the top, and where it says IPv4 address, this is what you want to copy into that box. So as you can see, it's 25.56.179, 25.56. Oh, I've already forgotten. I got short-term memory loss. 56.174.34. Now this is the IP you will be connecting on, so that's all good. Now max build height you can leave. Whitelist, you can have this on true or false. A whitelist is basically if random people try to join your server, they won't be able to. It'll say you're not whitelisted. So if you want it to be an online server, keep it as false. But if you just want your friends, you can just put it true, and that means only your friends can join. Spawn animals obviously true, hardcore false, texture pack you can add a default texture pack to it, online mode true, PvP true, difficulty 1 or 0 if you want peaceful, game mode 0 or 1 if you want creative, player timeout, max players, keep it at 20 because just to start with, because if you have it any more it will lag and it will get a bit frustrating and you won't enjoy it as much. Spawn monsters true, generate structures true, so that's all your villages and forest villages. View distance 10, and the mod of the day or message of the day, you can change this to whatever you want. So hey, alright, now all you just want to do is save these, exit, and now close this, and you're ready. See, this is the whitelist file that if you don't want anyone to join, you just leave it, but if you only want your friends, you just write everyone that you want to be able to join in this server file and just save it. Now you want to start this and you say all this coding and you're like, oh, this one didn't work because I've already got a server running on that port. But normally what it'll do for you, it'll come up with everything you want, it'll say building Minecraft server, blah 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 blah, and it'll say done when it's finished. That's when you want to go into Minecraft. If I can find it, that's when you want to go to Minecraft and leave this running because this is your command center. So you just go into Minecraft and type that server ID that you typed in without the port for it, without that port. Just type in 25.56.174.34 if that's yours. But if it's not, don't. Just type in whatever IP you typed into that server properties file. As you can see, it's 1.7.10. It's just downloading. It shouldn't take too long. And this is the command center where you can like opt yourself or give people creatives. So then you just want to go here and just go add server and add that IP that you just typed in and then go done. And it'll say connecting, and it should connect. Now, as I said, mine doesn't work because I've already got one. But this is pretty glitched, but when you want to stop it, you just type stop. But if you want to opt yourself, you go opt, and then say my name's JRob, so you go JRob. As you can see, it doesn't work, but it will for you, and you can go game mode 1 if you want creative, there you go, and it's just stopping it because it won't work. But that's all the coding you need to know, and that's how to start a Bukket server. So I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. It is the first one, so if you want to, it would be really great if you could like, subscribe, and leave a comment of what videos you want to see. There will be videos daily with my friend as a Fizz, and thank you for watching this awesome video. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll just see you another day. Peace.